dogs and wolves don't mix. In a village, every night a pair of wolves prowled round a field of fat, juicy sheep, licking their lips hopefully. But the farmer's dogs always barked to warn their master, so the wolves ran away in fear. One night, a wolf crept up to the dogs and said, "You are like us, with long noses and tails. The only difference is that you wear collars and obey your master. Join us and we can divide these nice fat sheep between us." The dogs scratched their heads thoughtfully. Then they said, "That's a good idea. We like some juicy lamb chops." So the dogs led the wolves into the field. The clever wolves immediately killed all the dogs and then took the sheep for themselves. Moral: we should be with the one of our kind.